Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is about social media manager for the beginners. If you're looking for a social media manager job or a role where you want to participate in any of the digital marketing agencies, this is something very important for you to know what exactly a social media manager does. So, for an organization, social media adds a lot of value in their growth, in their business, in their visibility, in their social media marketing presence, right? Now, as a social media manager, your responsibility is to design each and every aspect of social media presence for your organizations. For example, number one, you need to identify who is your target audiences. Once you design who is your target audiences, identify what are they looking out for based on what you can provide as a solution, as a content, as a value to your target audiences. Document everything as part of your content ideas, right? Design the way you want to publish these contents in different format, different articles, different versions, or different way of portraying that content to your target audiences. For example, LinkedIn has a different way of accepting carousel posts, right? If you build a PDF version of your carousel post, it works better on LinkedIn. However, on Instagram, you need to add an image version of the similar content, right? So first thing, you need to identify your target audience. Second thing is you need to design your content calendar. You must have a content calendar if you are a social media manager, right? Based on your content calendar, you need to work very closely with your graphic designer in terms of designing these creatives, and you also need to define at what time this particular content will be released on which platform, because it is very important to identify the engagement ratio of each social media platform. Once you design these timings, design these creatives, use tools to schedule these social media creatives. There are many tools that are available in the market that can give you free access till 10 scheduling opportunities. You can schedule 10 posts, maybe alternate days. You can design one image post, another carousel post, another video, reels. These are something very important for you to understand or keep in your mind if you are managing someone's social media account. Once you design and schedule these social media posts, you also need an access to the social media accounts so that you can start engaging with the audiences, reply to the comments. When someone is liking the post, make sure that you acknowledge that engagement and make sure you keep on engaging with your target audiences. I think if you do all these things as a bunch, as a collaborative effort towards identifying the target audiences, designing the content calendar, creatives, scheduling, and engagement, I think these five actions will help you become a social media manager if you're starting afresh. So if you want to know more about how can you build your profile as a social media manager, follow me on this channel and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get to know what is there for you as a social media manager, as a digital marketing person, as someone who is helping building brands. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.